Hi, this is Leslie Fiorenzo, and today I want to share the idea that we often get what we are looking for. It is something called confirmation bias. If you like what I have to say, please share this with a friend and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's think about the definition of confirmation bias. It's the tendency to interpret new evidence as confirmation of one's existing beliefs and theories. Our brains are constantly on the lookout for information that supports or confirms what we believe or what we value. In other words, we have a tendency to look at information and say, aha, I'm right. What we want to begin to avoid is being married to this rightness. Because especially when it comes to a difficult conversation, we've got to break that vow. It will not benefit us if we are looking for solutions to stay connected, to stay married, if you will, to our idea, our rightness. Ask yourself this question. What story am I telling myself about this person or about this situation? Then ask, how can I prove it is not true? Yes, it is not true. What I'm suggesting is you ask a question to flip or change what you are thinking, so you can be sure that confirmation bias is not getting in your way of finding a solution. In my video on active listening, I talked about the idea of being curious. And curiosity can be very useful in eliminating confirmation bias. When you begin to use questions such as, I wonder what's happening. I wonder what might have caused this. Or I wonder what led to that action. Or I wonder what might have led to that decision. When you can become curious, you and the person you're talking with are far better served. Ask probing questions that start with the word what. I wonder what, as opposed to I wonder why. Why questions can cause us to be a little defensive. And if we are in a difficult conversation, we don't want to be defensive. We don't want to put the other person on the defense, and we don't want to become defensive either. So when we ask questions like this, it can take practice. Begin to look for confirmation bias in a variety of situations, not just a difficult conversation, and see what happens. As you begin to look and notice, then you can practice asking yourself a different question and practice flipping confirmation bias on its head, getting it out of the way so that you and the other person are better served. So again, I'll invite you to share your results if you want to. Would love that. Love to hear from you. And then would also invite you to share my channel and be sure to subscribe so you can get updates. Thanks for listening. Make it a great day.